Hello, welcome back to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm going to pop this random disc out, which is one that I just happened to find. I'm going to put this disc in, which may be one that I have formatted not so long ago. Loading. We will list. Oh. Yeah, okay, this is indeed a scratch disc. Okay, well that's a good thing to know. I don't think that this program is going to fit inside a Vic-20. I don't think so. There's still weird stuff going on here. I'm going to pop this out. Pop it back in. Now, I'm definitely thinking there is a stepper motor issue. I'm going to push this out. Okay. So that did not go well. But in here, let's see here. Let's see if anything will load. Huh. Interesting. Alright, I'm going to pull all this stuff out. It does seem, if anything, definitely stepper motor is not necessarily stepping. Now, could that be something with the board? Not likely. But it was working before. Kind of. Oh, well, now, after resetting all that, let's see here. Performance, test. Vic-20, learn in. Well, let's see here. Load. Comma. Oh, no. Comma 8. What have I done? What do you mean, error? Load. Vic asterisk quote, comma 8. It's banging. But the head is really not moving very well. I'm going to pop this out. I'll pop it back in. I don't like pushing on the head thing. You know what I think would really help this drive is if it had a thing in it that forced it to go back and forth and back and forth and back and back and forth. No, we're not doing it. Okay, there's definitely something going on here. Something happened here. Oh no, 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 no. Cannot lose the screwdriver. I'm pushing the head thing all the way back. And something, yeah, there's something not right here. Something not right. Stand by. All right. Well, this is not performing. It is not performing. And I think, like when I push on the head thing, like to slide the thing, it just doesn't. I think it might be. Oh, where did I put the grease? I just don't know. I don't know. And I really don't think what we're dealing with here is, I don't think we're dealing with a board failure. But ultimately, all of these things got to be checked out one by one by one by one by one. So, I think what I'm going to do is unplug this. And put all the screws away into the bag. Indeedy. Dropped one. Oh no, 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 no. All right. Now, as I say, I really don't think we're dealing with a board problem. But you never know. You just never know. Could be something. But I think we're dealing with a dirty mechanism. Okay, so out. So we got to get the board off so we can get a much better look inside. So here is yet another. I like this board too. It has another chip that's in a socket, and that is helpful. So yeah, when I look inside here, I do see some sort of slime. Some sort of slime. And there does seem to be difficulty. Well, that seems to be helping some, but it looks like there is slime. Slime, 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 slime. So maybe what we'll do, even though this is not the lubricant of which we search, I will take this fine alcohol and I will run it down the rails. Oh yeah, there's slime. Now this could be leftover grease from time gone by. It could be. There's stuff there. It might have congealed of some nature. Because definitely the head is not moving well. It's not. It's just not. Now let's just give it a little push now. That seems some better. But there's more rail to go here. There's more rail to shine up. And yeah, there's sludge on here. Okay. How's that moving? Better. See, before, when I would do stuff, ugh, sludge. You could see the little band on the side not wanting to move. And I still see more sludge. More sludge. Oh yeah, wherever I kind of move it, and there's another collection of sludge. So yes, lubrication is all important. It is. So I wonder, even though I do not have right handy what I'd like to put on here, and I'm trying to get on the underside of the rail as well as the upper side, and I'm going to, before something terrible stupid happens, I'm going to put the lid on the alcohol. Try and get at this from all kinds of angles. Yickety-doo. Built. Well, I wonder if that seems to be moving much better now. And I don't see any evidence of filth. Okay, I will ponder this. I shall. So thanks for coming. We'll see you again soon. Back in the TV room. Bye for now.